Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back. So it's 8 right now, and I have to wake up and clean because my sister's coming here to stay with me to spend the holiday. I'm joking, to spend a few days with me before we go back to Zim. And this place looks so dirty, if I may say. It really looks so dirty, so I have to wake up and put things together before she comes. So we're gonna do that together, and you're also gonna spend the next few days with me before we go back to Zim. Yeah, so please stay tuned and please watch the videos to the end. The video to the end. Yeah, if you're new, subscribe. But thank you so much for checking out my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you, love, for coming back. You are loved here. So I'm thinking of showing you guys how it looks in here, but I'm not gonna do that. So yesterday I did my dishes, and yeah, yesterday I did some dishes. I was supposed to clean yesterday, properly clean, but I felt so lazy because I woke up later in the day. So yeah, so I did some dishes already. I just need to pick them and then clean the counters, spread my bed, sweep, clean the bathroom. Yeah, then I'm done. And I'm also thinking of packing my clothes today, packing my suitcase today, because we're going in 3 days time. So I'm thinking of doing it right now, just starting my packing process right now. But I'll see about that. It depends with how fast I am with cleaning. If I finish earlier, then I'll pack my stuff, but if I don't, then yeah, I'll pick some other day and you guys will get to see that. So let's get to work before it's too late. I want to wash all my tops because I want to peg them. I'm going with them. So yeah, I think I should wash this one as well. Oh, will I wear it? Oh, it's also a victim. I think I'll wash it. Oh, okay, thank God. Another one. Press my key. So, okay. This is my dirty laundry. So this is where I do my laundry. So I'm gonna wash all my little tops because I wanna peg them. Look at this. And I feel like I will have to wear 1 or 2 before I go home. And then I'm also gonna wash this. I think I'm wearing this one when I go get my hair done. I'll show it. So yeah, fetch water in the kitchen because I hate fetching water in the shower. So I'm gonna fetch water in here. This is my washing powder. I actually don't have a lot. I just kept a bit since it's end of semester. Actually finished because I was using it during the semester. I'm gonna leave these in the water for some time. Look at the sinks. Okay, this actually quickly get dirty. Okay, hey guys, welcome back to the vlog again. So I just finished cleaning. I didn't finish cleaning now. I finished cleaning like a few hours ago, around 11. But it's like 2. So I'm not going to get my hair washed. My sister hasn't come yet. She's coming like in a few hours or an hour from now. So I'm going to get my hair washed, then probably like get something to eat, and then yeah, so we're gonna go together. My hair literally looks like a disaster. Like that's why I put this hair tie, this hair drop, whatever it's called, because my hair looks like a disaster. So yeah, let's go. It was raining like a few minutes ago, so I need to get an umbrella because yeah, I don't want the rain on. It's been raining, that's why I hadn't gone. But like, we can go now. I'm gonna take you guys with me. I may not record that part because like I feel like it's not necessary, but I'll see if I can actually record it. Anyways, bye for now. So I just got back from the salon and I got my hair blow dried. I like it actually. The blow dry was super hot, honestly. Like, yo, I was burning, but I like my hair. I like the whatever. I thought my hair had like was now shorter, but it looks like it's still a bit long. And then guess how much I paid for this 100 kwacha instead of like 50 kwacha or something. I paid 100. I paid twice to get my hair just washed and blow dried. I think it's high time I get my own blow dryer because like there is no working. And so my sister's not yet here, so I'm gonna do my laundry because I didn't wash those things that I soaked earlier, and also probably watch a movie whilst I wait for her. Then what else? I don't know. And I've eaten because I was so hungry when I got back from there. So yeah, I ate already, and yeah, I think that's it for today's part. I think I'll see you guys tomorrow because tomorrow I'm planning to go to town, so we'll probably go together. And I might not vlog in town though, because you know how it is in town. It's hard to vlog in town. I can just get my phone snatched from me, so I'm not gonna vlog in town. I might vlog certain parts, but not everything. Yeah, then see you guys tomorrow in tomorrow's vlog. Welcome back. So this is another day in the vlog. It's a Saturday, 30 December. So we are going to get our hair done. So we're getting like what is it called, the big Easters. So yeah, we're gonna take you guys along. Hello? We can wait outside? Since you're still cleaning, we can wait outside? Chidid. Nitataka wigwan. YouTube too. Sikosa bende seven. On today. Vlog yetu mzana kwa yakade. Oh. Endogu. Uzobisa voice rangu. I'm very busy. Buda. Mateke kutoka. Hapa ndisimbona anything. One day. Yesimile bazo. Takarukana. Look at my lines. So let me show them yours. Come. I did the lines. Takarukana. Vanongono vasingangwe shona chishambwa ndokuti chi. Nyungu yako indi uchikoti inozichwa musoro wangu apa. Side view.
Side view asimboone.
Serious sikutondiendeze musoro.
Kune masaja nomboitwa.
Yakufanya sebude.
Yakanaka yebuda kuti.
Serious inditondiendeze musoro. Ndinofuna singezve. Oh, it's easy actually. I think urikutaurisa apa tiri kurekota. What is it called? To pay for our food. What is it called? To withdraw. Katinotenga chikafu chedu dzetu dzakachitu chipinja. I feel like no, I feel like isn't ordered or tikunooneo right?
Like for content
I know uri kuzvinzwa zvakuita izvozvo. Tadzipikisa for content. Anyways,
iyo vari kuona content.
Ko zvinoitika ndezvekuti ka hatisa varungu. Saka tinenge entertainwa compared to varungu vanoentertaina konati. Vanenge vachitozvifarira.
Tochekera nemaheti.
Vanenge vachitozvifarira kutoti like mapinda varungu saka vanenge vachifara. But isusu tiri vanhu vatema manje. Tinongongoti munhu ari kuenda zvadisturba basa ravo. Chaita varungu, dai chaita varungu. Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Before taenda kumba ngoba ndisana tanga urongedza like yo wandisa
Mbona zedi kwa
zedi going is now video. Okay, Dave. And this
Passengers to boarding transfers flight. Do proceed through departure gate A8 and board the aircraft immediately. Thank you.
I removed my wig because it was hot. So I removed mine. I have cooler and so we're looking for gate A1. Look at that one. Like a little center. I want to greet it. Like a little baby. Amafu ndikuda kupatwa kadorika wandinde nabo yoi. Oyimelo mchiriko. So this is A2.
James akatona na kwanza
iwe uri kurekodha kajames kapi
James Sudi.
kajames nani
Kutoka Jurassic.
no don't go upon the because it's a height. Eh? Ndironge katete.
Nakasoga nebuda zvakanaka. It looks like nothing's deserved this. Maybe it's inside. Just three.
028 to Japanese Bay.
Just got here. I don't think I'd rather walk. Tani, sama. Just come on.
Just this is a little bit of
Like, so we just arrived. I want to close my vlog. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. It was all I say. Another view. You are going to go out. This is really tickets. And it's not a eater. Whenever. Oh.